Hi, I'm Pamela LaBelle, and we're at the Business Franchise and Investment Expo in Toronto, and I'm with David Hooker. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
David is with Stellar Point. So if I'm an entrepreneur or I'm thinking I would like to start a business, what kind of attributes do you think I should possess in order to be successful?
Be determined, be dedicated, and be prepared to spend 24 hours a day at building the business you want to go build. Don't think of building a small business, think about building a big business, because Donald Trump says it takes the same effort to build a small business as it does to build a big business, therefore you might as well build a big business. Yeah. So your real main attributes are, I'm going to give up some of my family time, I'm going to give up my leisure time, I have to stop watching television, I've got a DVR that can do that. I've got to stop all my socializing because I want to build this business. You can't build a business and maintain your lifestyle as it was before. So if you really want to get that business moving and getting in the right direction, you've got to be prepared to give up the things that have got your life to where it is.
All the fun things.
Yeah, well, there are some things you do when you get really exhausted and you want to sort of unwind, but you've got to really sit down and say, the decisions that I made yesterday have got me to where I am today, or the way I led my life yesterday is the reason why I have my life today. If I want my life to be different tomorrow, I've got to change the things I do today to become different tomorrow. So the attributes really are determination, dedication. Don't let anyone put you off.
Yeah, lots of hard work.
Well, it's only hard work if the rewards aren't there. So it's tough work.
Tough work.
Hard means it's not going to work. But if it's going to be tough, absolutely. Is it worth it at the end of the day? Absolutely worth it, 100%.
I agree. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you so much.